Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Odyssey's top brake light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new brake light assembly. Next, open your vehicle's rear tailgate to gain clear access to the light. You will then locate the high-mount brake light housing, which is positioned at the top center of the tailgate. Now, let's remove the old light. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the 2 or 3 mounting screws holding the light housing in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire light housing away from the tailgate. Finally, locate the electrical connector and press its release tab to disconnect the wiring harness from the old light. With the old light removed, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the new brake light's wiring harness to the vehicle's electrical connector, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Next, carefully align the new light housing with the mounting holes on the tailgate. Finally, use your Phillips head screwdriver to reinsert and tighten the original mounting screws, securing the new light. To complete the process, perform a crucial final check. Have someone press the brake pedal while you observe the new light to ensure it illuminates brightly and consistently. Double-check that the light housing is securely fastened and sits flush against the tailgate, preventing any movement. This simple replacement ensures your vehicle remains safe and visible on the road for years to come.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.